Carbohydrates. The very word can spark anxiety in our diet-obsessed culture. We're bombarded with messages about low-carb this and no-carb that. But why are carbs often demonized? The truth is, not all carbs are created equal. Years of promoting processed foods have given carbs a bad reputation. White bread, sugary drinks and pastries, these refined carbohydrates are often the culprits behind health concerns. These refined carbs lack the fiber and nutrients found in their whole grain counterparts. This sets the stage for blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, and potential weight gain. But does this mean all carbs deserve the villain status? Not so fast. To understand carbs, we need to distinguish between the good and the not so good. Refined carbohydrates, stripped of their nutrients, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream. This can lead to those dreaded blood sugar spikes and dips, leaving you feeling tired and craving more. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are the real MVPs. Found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, they provide a steady release of energy. This is because they are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Think of it this way. Refined carbs are like a flash flood, while complex carbs are like a gentle, steady stream. One overwhelms the system while the other provides sustained nourishment. The problem with refined carbs isn't just about empty calories. Their rapid digestion can contribute to health problems over time. Studies show a link between diets high in refined carbs and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. The lack of fiber in refined carbs also wreaks havoc on our gut health. Fiber acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Without it, our gut health suffers, potentially leading to digestive issues and even impacting our immune system. Moreover, refined carbs often replace nutrient-rich foods in our diet. When we fill up on white bread and sugary snacks, we miss out on the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. With all the negative press about carbs, it's tempting to ditch them altogether. However, drastically cutting carbs can also have its downsides. Our bodies need carbohydrates for energy, brain function, and even muscle growth. While low-carb diets might lead to initial weight loss, they are often difficult to sustain in the long run. Extreme restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you're not careful about including a variety of healthy fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables. Furthermore, cutting out entire food groups can lead to unhealthy relationships with food. Instead of fearing carbs, let's focus on choosing the right ones and enjoying them in moderation as part of a balanced and enjoyable diet.